Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. I'm Sang Kim. In this video, I would like to share how to calculate AR2 coefficients by OLS in Excel and R. AR2 means autoregressive model with AutoTo. I have prepared a simple fictitious data. We can get AR2 coefficients by OLS from ar.ols function. You need to specify AIC as first and order max as 2 and dmin as true in order to get AR2 coefficients. Then you can get these outputs. Let me show you how to get these outputs in Excel. Right, for leg 1, we can get this data, and leg 2 from previous data, this one. Then we can get the rest of data here. Right, then we can think of regression analysis for this data. Okay, click data tab and data analysis and select regression, and for input Y range select column D, and for input X range select column E and F here. And do not click labels because we didn't include labels variables name in input range. And output range. Let's see the result here in this spreadsheet. All right, this is regression summary. Then, as you can see, regression coefficients are same as AR2 result, right? But intercept is a little bit different, right? Because in our program, it considers this model, right? Right. So in order to get same regression coefficients, we need to use this formula. Then by using this intercept output, we can get same regression intercept outputs in Excel. All right. Then also we can forecast 21, 22, 23, 23rd period data by using forecast function from forecast library, right? So sigma square, this one is actually from Sangwoo square over 20 minus 2, because there are 20 observations and 2 regression variables. All right. Then mean of data can be calculated by average of all data. Right. Then 21, 22, 23. So we can think of this formula. Let's use this formula. Okay, B0 is from this one, 0.002238 plus B1 times YT minus 1, this one, minus average of Y is from this one, and plus B2, this one, times YT minus 2, this one, minus Y bar, this one. Then we need to consider this part, so plus Y bar, this one. Right. So 100 to 152, 100 to 152. Okay, let's apply. For 22, same data. 23, same focusing data. All right. Today I wanted to show you how to calculate, how to get auto regression model coefficients by OLS in Excel and R. I hope it was useful for you to understand how to calculate auto regression model with AutoTo coefficients. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.